Construction vehicles often work in extreme conditions. Whether it is a tower crane or a loader, Parker can support you on the path to electrification with products and services that simplify installation, reduce noise, and guarantee the high levels of performance required by the construction industry. Parker offers high-efficiency solutions, enabling the electrification of both traction and work functions, lowering energy consumption and reducing battery size. Parker Global Vehicle Motors' high power density and patent cooling solutions help achieve vehicle performance objectives, while the direct mounting features reduce design complexity. Today, the new Parker GVM 310 is a powerful choice for traction, electro-hydraulic pumps, and high-power auxiliary applications. Parker can be considered as a reliable partner for the next generation of construction machines.